Not everything you went through last month was a waste. Even the moments that felt confusing, the days you felt unmotivated, the times you questioned yourself, they were part of your growth. We often think growth has to be loud, visible, and impressive. But the truth is, some of the most important growth happens quietly, in your thoughts, in your decisions, in the way you start seeing yourself differently. You may not be where you want to be yet, but you're not who you used to be either. And that counts. That's why I wrote Becoming Your Best Self, the psychology and practice of personal growth. Not for